Welcome back. In the last episode, we talked about emotional imprints and how unfinished experiences echo into the present. We have journeyed through the darkness. We found the trauma, the betrayal, and the unlearned lessons. But a soul never goes through darkness for nothing. Pressure creates diamonds. In this episode, we are going to stop looking at what you lost and start looking at what you gained. Every lifetime, no matter how hard, unlocks a specific spiritual gift. Today, we claim your inheritance. Because the soul does not only carry pain, it carries wisdom. A positive soul expression is a quality the soul has already developed through experience, not as a personality trait, but as a deep capacity. For example, compassion, courage, resilience, discernment, patience, responsibility, leadership, empathy, integrity. These are not random talents, they are learned strengths. Many people overlook their strongest qualities because they feel natural. What comes easily rarely feels impressive, but ease often signals mastery. The soul remembers what it has practiced across lifetimes. What feels effortless today may have taken centuries to develop. Every emotional imprint is paired with a potential strength. Fear invites courage. Loss invites compassion. Powerlessness invites inner authority. Soul memories is not about cataloging wounds. It is about recognizing the strengths that already exist to meet them. You do not invent these qualities. You ask the system with neutrality. The pendulum indicates the positive expressions the soul developed during the lesson being researched. This reveals what resources are already available to you. Healing is incomplete if you only look at pain. Integration happens when you see this was the imprint, and this is the strength that emerged from it. Both are part of the same story. The soul is not a record of suffering, it is a record of evolution. Positive expressions are not decorative, they are functional. They exist to be applied in this lifetime. Awareness alone is not enough. The question becomes, how am I using the strengths I already carry? That is where transformation lives. Sometimes a person possesses a strength but does not trust it. This happens when an imprint overshadows the expression. Soul memories brings both into awareness so balance can return. Dormant strength is still strength. It only needs recognition. The soul is not defined by its wounds. It is defined by what it learned from them. In the next episode, we will explore soul fragments and energetic residue and how unfinished energy can remain attached to past experiences. For now, notice what feels strong in you. Not what is loud, what is steady. That steadiness is soul memory expressing itself. Thank you for being here, and I'll see you in the next episode.